I once again welcome you all to my channel CSNet Lectures. So in the last class we discussed regarding the formula of one-dimensional array. So now we are going to discuss one of the very sort of an example of one-dimensional array. Shall we proceed with this topic? Okay, now. So we are going to find the address of an element present in one-dimensional array. So here the question has been written. First you should have to understand the question, what are all the values that is being given in the question, and then those values must have to be substituted in the formula that we have discussed before. Okay, so now suppose if you have not watched the formula description, okay, you can go to the link that I have given in the below informations. So there you can go and watch it. Okay, so now we can go with the problem. Given the base address of an array A of 1300 up to 1900 as 1020, that is 1020. Okay, and size of each element is 2 bytes in the memory. Find the address of the element 1700. So this is the question that is being asked. Okay, so from the question, can you just extract what are the different types of values that is being given directly? Okay, so given the base address, so what they are given? So they have given the value of base address. So this value has been given. Okay, so what is that value? So that value is 1020. So write it over here. So B is equal to 1, 0, 2 and 0. This value is being given. And next, and the size. Okay, and the size of each element is 2 bytes. So they are given the size of each element is 2 bytes. So here the W is referring to the size, isn't it? So W value is also being given. So W is equal to 2 bytes. So W value is being given as 2 bytes. So now find the address of 1700. So what value is being given? They have given you this L value. Okay, because this is the element for which I must have to find the respective memory address. So write it over here. So L is equal to, what is the value? 1700. Okay, and these are the direct values that is being given. For example, they may give L value, W value, L and LB value, and they may ask you to find what is the base address. Okay, just by involving mathematical substitution, you can have the ability to find the respective answers. Okay, formulas may be same, but they may replace some of the values and they will ask you to find some other variable. For example, find the base address, find the size, find the lower bound. Like this they may ask by twisting the formula, but the way of solving everything seems to be same. Okay, so now we will proceed with solving it. So now another thing is that we must have to know the value of lower bound, isn't it? Is it being given directly? It is not given, but you must have to find it in this array index values that is being given. Okay, so as I mentioned in the last class, this is your lower bound and this is your upper bound. Suppose if they didn't give this 1300, what I have said you to assign? I have said you to take it as default value 0. Suppose if this 1300 is not given, you should have to take this LB value as 0. But here if you see, they have given it directly, isn't it? So you can directly use that value. So now shall we proceed all these values in this formula? Okay, so let me write it over here. So LB value is given as 1300. So these are the different values that I must have to substitute in the formula. So now let me substitute. So A of, what is L? So L is given as 1700. So for this only I must have to find the memory address. So what is base value? So base value is given as 20 plus, what is W? So W is given as 2 into, what is L value? Just now we have found, isn't it? So L value is 1700 minus, what is the lower bound value? This is 1300. So 1300. Just now you are going to apply mathematical way of solving this values. So now shall I solve it? So 1020 plus 2 into, so 1700 minus 1300, what you will get? You will get as 400, isn't it? So now you just simplify it. 1020 plus 2 into 400, you will get it as 800. So now you are going to add these two values. So 1020 plus 800, what you will get? 0, 2, 8 and 1. So you are getting the value as 1820. So 1820. So this 1820 is the address of the memory in which this 1700 element is being stored. Okay, so like this only you must have to solve the problem related to that of one dimensional array. So this is very important, friends. So you please have a note of it. Okay, so thank you friends for watching, and in the next class we are going to discuss about formulas represented for two-dimensional array and one of the example problem. Okay students, thank you.